Hi guys, my name is Mayank and welcome back to my YouTube channel. While the weekdays are filled with the tasks and the priorities that we have for the week, I think the weekend is a time when we can actually relax and think about a few things that matter to us. It's a time when we can slow down a few things and really rethink about the way we are going out about our lives. So for me as well, weekend is a period when I try to relax and recharge a little bit and also prepare myself for the coming week ahead. So I wanted to share a few habits which I do every weekend, which help me to relax and also prepare myself for the next week ahead. So the first habit which I want to talk about is that all of the things that I use for my work, any kind of equipment or any kind of gadgets which I use for my work, I make sure that I pack those away during the weekend in a different place where I don't see them, and I only take those things out before the start of the next week. So I make do this usually a day before the start of the next week. I also do this so that I don't have to run around looking for all of these things at the last minute when I actually want to start working for the week. The second thing I do is I turn off the restrictions on my social media apps. So mostly I use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter sometimes. So I turn off the restrictions which I have on these apps. During the week, I don't use these apps as much. In fact, I have set timers for all these apps during the week, and I don't use them as much. Instagram I don't even use during the week. But during the end of the week, it's just a kind of relaxation which I get. I get kind of a bit of freedom to use these apps, and it also gets a bit exciting because now I only use them occasionally and not during the week. The third thing that I do is I don't know how many people do this, but this really cheers me up. I change my wallpaper at the end of every week. Again, this reminds me of a new week being started. I use this wallpaper for the next week, and then again I change it again for the next week. So it really is a good reminder that the last week has gone over and you don't need to think about the past, and there is a new thing for you to focus on. It can just cheer you up for the next week. The fourth thing which I do is I watch a movie every weekend. So I make sure that I watch a film every weekend. During the week, usually I don't watch any films. I usually watch any TV series which I am currently watching. So currently I'm watching a TV series named I Know This Much Is True on Hotstar. But at the end of the week, I make sure to watch a film. It just changes up the things a little bit, and any good movie that is currently on my mind, I do watch it. Another good thing to do is that you can decide on the film during the week so that you don't have to look around for good movies at the end of the week. And the last thing which I do every weekend is I cook food for myself. So I think preparing food yourself, treating yourself at the end of the week with a kind of treat meal is something which can again really cheer you up, because you look around for the best recipes on the internet or anywhere else, and you just focus on creating the best food which you can create. And after an hour or more of hard work, when you finally get to eat that meal which you have actually prepared for yourself, it gives you a positive feeling. It gives you a feeling that you have achieved something. So that is again a positive feeling which you definitely want to end the week with. So these were 5 things which I do every weekend. These things make sure to relax me a little bit, give me some positive feeling, and also prepare me for the coming week ahead. So you can also share your such similar things which you do every weekend. Let me know in the comment section. Let me also know how you found this video, and yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.